In this video, I want to talk about one of the best ways to make at least $100 a day, sometimes even more than $100 a day. As I've always said, we live in a digital era, and the digital era has given us some opportunities to make money while we are basking in the sun or lazing around in our homes or just sleeping. And money will just keep coming. However, money is just not going to come to you without first laying the foundation where the work is. You got to work first in order for you to benefit at a later stage where you're doing absolutely nothing. One of the best ways of making money online is having a YouTube channel, but we're not about that. Okay, let's talk about having a YouTube channel, because what I'm going to talk about, the YouTube channel does play a major role in you having to make passive income at a later stage. However, this video is about affiliate marketing. Now, I don't know much about affiliate marketing. That one thing I am going to admit. However, the little that I know, because I too am part of affiliate marketing programs in my other channels, and I see the small profit that I make. Why I say small profit is because it's a foundation that I just recently laid as of last year, 2024. And now I'm beginning to see some results out of that. Can you imagine if my YouTube channels, they blew up? That means more people will come across my affiliate links and they are going to purchase from there. And then I make more money. Now, with affiliate marketing, one thing that you need to understand about it is that it is a compound, or it's compounding, because some of the products that you are going to be promoting on your YouTube channel, the commission will be somewhere between 1% to about 5%. That is not much money. However, you can still go for products that sell on a higher end, like $500 to about $1,000, where the commission pays 50%. Can you imagine? You are getting over 10,000 people purchasing a camera, a Canon camera, or whatever camera product it is, and it sells for $500, and then the commission is 50%. That means you walk away with $250 plus 10,000 people that have purchased that camera. So there is money. And then because people are becoming content creators themselves and forever looking for best cameras, and then they come across your affiliate links and they purchase these cameras for the next 10 years, that means for the next 10 years, you are going to be making 50% of one camera sale. And probably these people might even become hundreds of thousands of them. Can you imagine how much money you'll be making out of that program? But the whole point of this is that whenever you want to relax in the next 3, 4, 5 years and not work because money is making money for you, is to start an affiliate program. There are so many affiliate programs out there. You can go to Digi24.com, you can go to ClickBank, you can go to Amazon, and you can also go to Share a Sale. None of these websites and softwares that I've mentioned have sponsored this video. I'm just letting you know that these are the places or sources you can go to begin your affiliate marketing career. So if you want to start making money in the future, it's important that you look at popular products. Popular products in evergreen context. That means that these products will be relevant forever and ever. And every time somebody is looking for such a product, they come across your affiliate link and they purchase, and then you make a commission, and then you move on to others as well that are popular products that are currently being sold. For example, dog toys or pet toys. That product will never go away. More and more people are having animals. Other people, unfortunately, their animals have passed on and they would like to replace these animals, and they would want to purchase new toys for their pets. And then you have these affiliate links and then they purchase from them. The best part about promoting these products, none of these products come from you or produced by you. They are produced by somebody else. Only thing that you are doing is using your social media platforms, including your YouTube channel, to promote these products for them for a commission. Now, some commissions you can negotiate them depending on the size of your channel. Some of these programs as well, you'll get a brand approaching you and saying, listen, we would like you to be our ambassador. And you will get a code of every purchase that a potential client buys. You get so much percentage out of that purchase. Whether people are clicking on the website and then you get a small percentage for the click, or the purchase itself, or both the purchase and the click. So there are so many ways to make money these days, and there's absolutely no excuse why you are sitting at home with a smartphone and you are twiddling your thumb because you are waiting for a job to fall on your lap. I'm not quite sure if you have been paying attention. The global economy is not doing very well. Inflation is killing a lot of people, and people are frustrated. Now we are also have to deal with tariffs and all of that stuff that is being threatened against a lot of countries. And that could affect your income or lack thereof. So setting up things like this, I believe affiliate marketing is one of those I don't want to call it a career. It's one of those money making methods that are recession proof as well as sanction proof, or whatever that might actually create a chaotic state of affairs in the employment sector. So if you can start now by just sitting down and thinking about the type of products that you would like to promote, let me give you an advice. Most technology products, whether that is a cell phone, camera, microphone, anything that has to do with technology, they are flying off the shelves like hotcakes. And if you can have affiliate links on technology gadgets, then you should be on the right track. Again, when it comes to animals, whether you have affiliate link for an animal bed, like a dog bed, a cat, what you call that thing again? I forgot what it's called, like a cat tree. What else that you can also go for that is seemingly popular? You can also go for like cooking utensils as well. That is if you are in the cooking niche or in the cooking sector. Those are the things that fly off the shelves. But importantly, you need to start now to work and lay that foundation so that 2, 3, 5 years down the line, you would do absolutely nothing. You probably might even do other things like, I don't know, becoming a copywriter, sitting in Bali, basking in the sun while you are making money that you are currently making out of your copywriting, but in the background as well, because of the foundation that you have laid 4, 5 years ago, that money is now rolling in. And many people are quite rich because of affiliate marketing or affiliate marketing programs. All that you have to do from this video, once you are done watching it, take a few hours, maybe even just 1 hour, sit down and learn as much as you can about affiliate marketing. You can even watch YouTube videos because there are tutorials on how to become an affiliate marketer. And you will get all this rich information and knowledge that you can put behind. My favorite one currently, which is also where I'm also making my money, is when I'm approached by a brand that wants me to promote a product or a service for them. And then they will give me a code that I'm going to give my viewers and say, hey, if you go and purchase this, use this code that is in my name, of course. And as a result of that, I will get a commission out of the purchase. And when you got a good, engaging audience and who also want to see you succeed, they are going to support you. They are going to go to that product or service in their numbers, and then they use your code. As a result, you'll be compounding the income through your audience. So it's my favorite, and it is a part of affiliate. And also my second favorite is when I become an ambassador of a brand. I know that ambassadorship is going to be a recurring income for the period that I am going to be the influencer for that particular brand. You can even get yourself involved in recurring income streams like software and websites where you direct traffic, where you can promote monthly subscriptions of products and services. For example, because some of us are YouTubers, there are editing tools and there are also SEO tools that you can direct people to. For example, vidIQ and TubeBuddy. Again, I'm not sponsored by any of these products that I'm mentioning in this video, nor am I being paid to mention them. You can even promote some gym where you are going to get a recurring income from anybody that goes and joins the gym, and on the monthly basis they pay their gym membership. There are so many things that you can do to make money. So the whole point here is for you to lay a foundation for the future, where now you just don't do absolutely anything. You are just making money in your sleep, when you are sitting lounging in the on the couch watching television, and people are just purchasing and joining, and you getting all the commission in the world. Again, this is part of compound interests that you are going to benefit from. And that, guys, thanks for watching, and do not leave this video without liking, sharing, commenting, and subscribing. And I'll see you next time with a new video. Goodbye.